Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial 5 different ways to locate the Photos application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. And so the first way to locate the Photos application is to go all the way around to the dock. If we have it on the dock, we can click it from there to open up the application. Now let's quit Photos. And the second way is to go all the way around to the dock, go to Launchpad, locate the Photos application by searching for this, enter to open up the application. Let's now quit Photos. And the third way to locate the Photos application is to go all the way around to the dock again, go to Finder, go to Applications, and now we can either scroll to the application or search for the application, which in my opinion is the quickest way. And there we have it, photos.app. Double click on this to open up the Photos application, quit Photos, quit Finder. And the fourth way is via a Spotlight search, Command and space, photos.app. Click on this to open up the Photos application. Now we can quit Photos. And the fifth and final way would be to open up the terminal command prompt, search for the application and open it via terminal commands. So we can now go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the terminal command prompt, search for this, enter to open up terminal, increase the size of the terminal window, Command plus a couple of times. Now let's change directory, ls to list all the contents on screen. Let's now go back a couple of directories. As we know, Computer Science Videos is not the main account on this machine. cd ... ls. We now need to navigate within System, Applications, to then find the Photos application. cd System, Applications, semicolon ls to change directory and list everything in that folder. I see the Photos application on screen. Open photos.app/, enter to open up the Photos application for the 5th time on screen. We can now quit Photos. We can now go back into terminal, clear all the content on screen, change directory, and now exit terminal. We can now quit terminal. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.